Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, printer Brother MFC, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix paper feed on this device. So, as you know, here is not simple mechanism of paper feed, and sometimes we can have troubles with it. And it's a very good idea, firstly, before you will take your device to the customer service, sometimes it's a very good idea just to try fix it using your settings. So open settings on your browser device, open maintenance, click improve print quality and correct paper feed. To reduce vertical lines, press next to adjust the paper feed. So, click next. Have you printed the check print quality sheet and verified quality is okay? Yes, I checked it. So I have print quality check card printed and it's okay. So yes, it's okay. Choose paper size to correct, click A4 and click start. Okay, now when this page is printed, we need to enter for each block number of showing the fewest lines. For example, as you can see here, on block A, I have fewest line on 2 and 9, so I will enter 9 because in 9 I have the fewest lines. So click OK. In B I have it on 9 too. Okay. On C I have, so maybe on the first line. On the D I have on line number 2. And on E I have it on line number 6. Completed. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.